Real estate term of the day, satisfaction of mortgage. When you sell your property or when you pay off your loan, within 60 days, you're going to get a letter that says your loan has been paid in full. This is a very important letter to have. Why? Because sometimes the lender forgets to take it out of your credit report, right? And you need proof. Hey, I already paid you, and here's the proof that I did. And you see this a lot, especially when you're going to sell your house. If you sell your house, what happens? They're going to pay off the mortgage, right? They pay off the mortgage. 60 days later, you get the letter that says it's been paid for. By the way, it's not 60 days, it's up to 60 days. What else do you get? Your escrow account, if you have one, they have to send it to you. You do not get your escrow account at the closing table. It is sent to you after the lender receives the full payment of the loan. Then they go and research your escrow account. Whatever is there gets sent to you along with the letter of satisfaction. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want to schedule a one-on-one tutoring session, please go ahead and pick a time and date. And of course, this is only for the state sales agent test or the brokers. Till next time.